How to create and run a Google Docs checklist. Real-time collaboration. Google Docs checklists allow for seamless real-time collaboration, enabling multiple users to update, edit, and check off tasks without version control issues. Accessibility across devices. Since Google Docs is cloud-based, you can access your checklist from any device with an internet connection, making task management convenient anytime, anywhere. Creating a new checklist. Start by creating a new document in Google Docs, name it appropriately, and use the checklist feature in the toolbar to begin adding tasks with checkboxes. Customizing your checklist. Enhance your Google Docs checklist by customizing text size, adding color codes, hyperlinks, and embedding images to make it more visually organized and user-friendly. Sharing your checklist. Share your Google Docs checklist with others by clicking the Share button, allowing collaborators to view, comment, or edit tasks based on permissions you set. Prioritizing tasks for efficiency. Organize your checklist tasks by urgency or importance by dragging and dropping them or categorizing them into sections like urgent and to do later. Track completed tasks visually. Use the strike-through feature in Google Docs to indicate completed tasks while keeping them visible, offering a clear view of your progress in managing tasks. Linking to additional resources. Integrate your checklist with other Google Docs, Sheets, or external links for more complex projects, allowing easy access to related information without clutter. Assigning tasks through comments. For group projects, assign tasks by adding comments to specific checklist items, tagging responsible team members for improved accountability and task distribution. Using time and expense trackers. Embed links to time and expense tracking tools directly into your checklist to monitor resources related to each task, streamlining project management and tracking. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow us on social media platforms.